Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back on another video. As you can see, license plate has changed, guys. He's joined the Who's clan. So Who's CBD, obviously cannabis oil. So yeah, anyways guys, today I'm gonna get a muffler delete or a resonator delete or both. I don't know guys, we'll see. So yeah, we're gonna get muffler delete. So this is what it sounds like stock. Have a listen. This is the startup. As you can hear, very quiet. It used to be louder before. There's the revs. There you go guys. And here's his new tints. Have a look. Can't even see him. No good. And then look at this. Where's his license plate? Oh, there it is. Who's CBD? Look at this. Look at this guy. Fucking hell. Now guys, we're gonna perform a flyby now. Don't know which way is flying by, but okay, we'll see. Okay, have a listen guys. That was a stock flyby. You will hear a muffler delete flyby or a muffler and resonator delete soon. Let's find out after the break. Hi guys, muffler delete has been done, and yeah, you got exhaust tips now, dual tips. Very nice. Look. There you go. Look at the, you hear the startup? It's more deeper and louder. And these exhaust tips are massive. You hear the crackles? Oh. Sounds very nice and deep. Oh. Much nicer than before. I guess he's going to do drive-by now. Stand over here. Have a listen guys, have a listen. Have a listen. That is fucking loud guys. That's just with the muffler delete. Now if you got a resonator and a muffler, that would be extremely loud. You'd go deaf guys. So yeah, it doesn't drone a lot, so it's really good. You'll only hear it drone above 4,000 or 5,000 RPM, and it's not that bad.
No, not now, because I want to do a foot. I want to foot it.
I guess this is what it sounds like inside the car with the muffler delete. It's not obnoxiously loud. It's a very good loud. It's a decent amount of loudness. Like, you won't do your head in. Can you hear it guys? Alright guys, we're gonna get to 70 miles an hour and listen to what the drone's like in the highest gear. So right now it's accelerating, he's almost at 70. Highest gear, innit?
Highest gear.
It's a bit loud, but it's not bad, is it? It's not terribly bad, is it? So yeah, highly recommend muffler delete. Do not do resonator as well unless you want to be a dickhead. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Labib is very happy, as you can tell from his face. And yes, see you guys next time. Goodbye.